Hey guys, this is alternate route again. This time around we're in downtown Saskatoon for the SGI Road Test. This is a summer driving road test. You know, during the winter the roads are all covered with snow, but this time the summer the roads are clear, there are road markings. So I'm recording this video so that those who are preparing to take the SGI Road Test in Saskatoon downtown during the summer can use this to learn, to practice. I'm going to say a lot of things, like I'm going to explain a lot of things in this video, so take your time, watch and learn, okay? And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, like it, give it a thumbs up, share it, and help as many people as possible to learn and to benefit, okay? So as you prepare for your test, I wish you the very best. I'm here with a friend of mine. He's going to serve as our examiner as we embark on this SGI road test, demo road test in downtown Saskatoon. So let's start. Back up. All right, so when the examiner say you should back up, that's to pull up, it's very important that you scan around you, left, right, center, and your back before you pull up, okay? And when driving out, make sure you are looking back and you have your signal on, okay? And remember, the examiner will check your signal lights, your brake lights, and also your horn. Sometimes the examiner will also check your dashboard light, so make sure your vehicle is in good driving condition, otherwise they will not let you take the test, okay? So let's back up now and drive out. Okay, there's a pedestrian behind me, so I'm going to wait for the pedestrian to walk away. You see why you need to scan before you go. If you drive right now and that pedestrian is there, that's automatic failure, because failure to stop for pedestrian is 10 points and is automatic failure. So we are backing out, we are looking back. As you are backing out, you scan your mirrors once in a while, take your eyes back. All right, turn left. All right, so we're going to turn left at the end of the alley. So put our signal, check the mirror, check the shoulder is free, so we turn left, turn right. All right, we'll turn right at the end of the alley, put the signal, check the mirror, check the shoulder, the blind spot is free, there's no vehicle on the road we are driving into, so we're just driving. There's a vehicle on the side of the road, so we'll drive straight to the drive lane. There's a vehicle trying to enter the road already is here, so we'll give them way to go in. Turn left. Okay, we'll turn left at the stop sign. We're gonna stop here, wait 3 seconds, then you slowly inch forward since you cannot see the entire road. Okay, we can drive off now. This part of the road in downtown is important. You watch the road marking. You see the road marking, pay attention to how I'm following the road. You cannot drive into that middle lane, okay? If you drive there, that is a big problem for you. That's driving on the wrong lane, so you don't want to do that. Very important. I see a pedestrian is fast, so I'll just slow down. Okay, he's gone, so I can drive off. By the way, it's important, if you see a pedestrian in downtown here, you have to stop for a pedestrian, okay? So we're going to go straight at this light. So it's a red light, so we'll stop and wait for the light to become red. Green rather, wait for the light to become green before we drive off. So downtown is really tricky because of the fact that there's a lot of vehicle and pedestrian traffic, so you need to be very alert, very intentional, and very cautious. And once your light changes, you want to be ready to move to, okay? So do not be distracted. Otherwise, if you wait and your light is green and the examiner prompts you to move on, that will be assisted driving, and that's automatic failure too. So you don't want the examiner to assist you, okay? All right, that's a green light, so we drive off. So the lane is 50, the road is 50, is a 50 zone. Turn left at the next intersection. Okay, put your signal, check your mirror, check your shoulder, enter the left lane. Did you notice that I waited for the white broken lines before I switched lanes? Light is green, so I will drive in. Vehicles are coming on the lane I want to turn into, so I have to drive in and keep my hand straight. My steering is straight while I wait for my turn, okay? Now the last vehicle is gone, then I can turn. And take note that I'm turning to the left-hand most lane. Since I'm turning from the left, I'll turn to the left-hand most lane, okay? So we are going past this light. We're going past this light. There's a red light, so we're gonna stop. Okay, it's green now. We'll continue.
Turn right at the next intersection.
Okay, put your signal, check your mirror, check your shoulder. There's a bicycle, so you slow down for the bike to pass. Okay, slide to the right, check shoulder again. It's a green light, so since we are going right, we'll just turn off. Take note that I'm turning into the right-hand lane because I'm turning from the right. Okay. So the road is a bit narrow here. Make sure you stay on your lane. The light is green, so we're gonna go on.
Turn left at the next intersection.
Okay, put your signal, check your mirror, check your shoulder, change lane to the left-hand most lane. Put the signal again, check the mirror, check the shoulder, it's free. Slide in. Did you notice how I moved to that lane, the left-hand lane for changing? Very important that you move like that and enter the changing lane. Don't turn from the middle lane, okay? That's why I decided to do this demo road test during the summer, so that you can see the road markings and follow all the road markings. So take note, before you finally make your turn, because you are stopped, you are going to shoulder check again, okay? So drive in, check your shoulder, it's free, then you turn to the left-hand lane. You see that? We are going straight at this light, so we'll continue straight. There's a red light, so we'll stop behind this vehicle. Please stop at a distance where you can see their back tires. Right, that's a green light.
Turn left at the next intersection.
Okay, we're going to go left. Okay, we can put our signal. There's a stop sign, so the vehicle in front of me has stopped. So I'm going to stop as well. Now the vehicle is gone. I have to stop again. Very important. Make sure you stop after the vehicle in front of you has stopped, because if you continue, it means failure to stop, okay? Now there's a pedestrian entering the road I'm driving into, so I'm going to stop, allow the pedestrian to walk away. Right, pedestrian is gone. I can now drive in.
Okay, you will parallel park behind this vehicle.
Okay, I'll parallel park here, put my signal, check my mirror, slide closer to the vehicle. Okay, I scan, I notice that the vehicle behind me and the vehicle has put their signal to pass me, so I have to wait. The vehicle has passed, so I'm going to parallel park now. So when parallel parking, make sure you are looking back as you are driving back. Then once in a while, you bring your eyes to scan your mirrors. Okay, make sure you don't hit the curb. That's the most important thing. I know there are a lot of techniques people use, but the most important thing is don't hit the curb and don't go too far away from the curb. Okay, there we go. So this vehicle is a little bit too close to the curb, so I'm not going to be as close as him. Yep. So that's how to parallel park, okay? Simple and easy. And while you do this, it's important that you stay not too close, neither not too far from the curb. aim for 1 foot from the curb, okay? Because if you are too far, you will lose some points. If you are too close, you also lose some points. And if you hit the curb, it means you fail the parallel parking, so you lose 5 points for doing that. And after you parallel park, it's important you put your vehicle on park, your gear. You disengage your gear. If you leave your gear on, you have not executed the instruction, because the examiner said parallel park. So the examiner expects you to park the vehicle and disengage your gear, okay? So now we've parked, the examiner is satisfied, we need to drive off.
Let's move.
Okay. Put your signal. Okay. I'm gonna pull back a little bit before I drive off. So I'm pulling back now. Checking my side mirrors while I'm looking back. Okay, I'm gonna check my mirror, check my shoulder is free before I move. Take note of the road markings.
Turn left at the next intersection.
Okay, turning left. The signal is on. It's a stop sign. So I'm going to come to a complete stop. Wait 3 seconds. Check the mirror. Check the shoulder. It's free. Okay, take note of how I'm going to turn. Did you see the way I turn? Yeah. So we're going straight at this light. You see that blinking hand? When you approach a traffic light with those hands blinking, you approach with caution.
Turn right at the next intersection.
Okay, signal, check mirror, check shoulder. Go to the right lane. Okay, we're facing a red light, so we'll come to a complete stop. Wait 3 seconds. Okay, light has changed to green. There we can turn off. Okay, signal, check mirror, check shoulder.
Turn left at the next intersection.
Okay, put signal, check mirror, check shoulder. Go to the left lane. With the same signal, check mirror, check shoulder again. Go to the left-handmost lane for turning, okay? Come to a complete stop because it's a red light. So because we are going to turn left and you see those vehicles facing us, so once the light changes to green, you don't have to wait where you are. You have to drive into the intersection because light is green. You see it's green now, so you drive in, but keep your hands straight, okay? Move away from the crosswalk and wait for your turn, okay? So I'm waiting. There are vehicles coming. This one is closed, the other one is closed too, so I'm just going to wait for the vehicle to pass. If you go in a hurry, that will be termed dangerous driving, and you can lose 10 points for dangerous driving, okay? So we turn into the left-hand lane. We are going straight at this light. Light is green, so we just continue driving.
Turn right at the next intersection.
All right, so put the signal, check the mirror, check the shoulder, slide to the right. Check mirror, check shoulder again. Go closer. The light is green, so we're not stopping. We'll just keep going. Okay, we're going to go straight at the next light. So you have to put your signal and go to the middle lane because this left-hand lane is turning left, as you can see from the road signs. So the examiner will tell you we are going straight at the next light. So what you do, if the examiner tells you that, make sure you put your signal and take the right-hand lane. So you have to be alert. At this point, you have to look at the road signs. It's important. Okay, if you look at the road sign there, the road is marked pointing to the left, to the right rather. So that lane is turning to the right. That lane cannot go straight. Even if you look up, you also see the road sign on top there. Let me see. Yeah, you see that, right? So the road sign, the right lane is going right, left is going left, while middle is going straight. So it's important that you take note of that, and once the examiner sees you are going to go straight at the light, you bring yourself to the middle lane so that you can go straight, okay? So that's why it's important you learn to scan ahead. It's one of the most important skills that is required for driving, your ability to scan, okay? Scan and predict. So light is green, so we'll go ahead now. This is one area you need to be careful for the test because this road is free. you may be tempted to overspeed. You see a pedestrian coming, or you may not see the pedestrian, but pedestrian is coming. So you stop completely, wait for the pedestrian to cross the entire road. That's your side of the road. Okay, so pedestrian is gone, then I can drive off. Now take note, the next intersection we're approaching, you notice that the right hand lane is going right, but we're going straight, so you just make sure you maintain the lane that's going straight. Very important. There are pedestrians.
Turn right at the next intersection.
Okay, so we'll put the signal. Okay, we slide a little bit to the right. Check mirror, check shoulder again. Then turn to the right carefully. A lot of vehicles parked here, so you have to be very careful.
Turn right at the next intersection.
All right, put the signal, check the mirror, check the shoulder. Slide a little bit closer to the curb. See, there are vehicles there, but you have to slide closer to the curb once you pass the vehicle. And it's a stop sign, so we come to a complete stop. Then the road is free. Navigate into the road. There are vehicles parked here, so you go straight to the drive lane.
Turn right at the next intersection.
Okay, so we are turning right to the SGI office. Check the mirror, check your shoulder. Road is free. Here we go. Okay. Alright, there's no parking spot. I'll just put my head here. Then we'll drive off quickly.